Hey, you love your car, right? You probably wash and wax it regularly. But what about your car's interior? No, I'm not talking about that interior, under the hood. The cooling system. Have you ever seen this light before? Do you know what it could mean? Well, if it's on, then the truth is you're doing harm to your car. You want to avoid the red zone at all costs. Now this would be too late. Did you know you should check the antifreeze coolant level at every oil change no matter the season? An improperly maintained cooling system is a leading cause of vehicle breakdown. And by flushing, cleaning, and refilling your cooling system every 2 to 5 years or 31,000 to 150,000 miles, you'll help maintain the maximum life of your vehicle. More information on when to change the antifreeze coolant in your car can be found in your owner's manual. You already spend a lot of time on your vehicle. Checking your coolant is easy enough and can save you a bundle by preventing overheating, helping to keep your car running in the heat of summer or freezing temperatures, and most importantly, preventing corrosion and damage to your cooling system. But do you know which antifreeze coolant you should use? That part's easy. The color of antifreeze coolant in your vehicle doesn't matter. Dye makes no difference in the functionality of antifreeze. Prestone is compatible with antifreeze coolant in any make or model of car, and mixes with any color of coolant in your vehicle. The math is simple, really. Prestone has a patented anti-corrosion formula, and Prestone is a major supplier of original equipment coolants. We know how to make premium antifreeze that helps vehicles run worry-free. Adds up to protection that protects your engine, and saves you money by helping to prevent costly repairs.